Uy, tapos na yung Valentine's Day. Naka-video na pala! Uy, uy, sana mo. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Uy. Uy, nang orot ko. Ang kasungot. Uy, ang kasungot. Kanina to? Yung pink. Tapos sa'yo yung isa. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Let's run. Uy, tarungan eh, Joby. Kaya magpasalida tayo. Papers up. Papers up. Okay, done.
Dool.
Dala na yun.
Hello. Pilang score?
One, two, three, go. Cortina Jennifer. Cortina Jennifer, come on. Stand up to the Come on.
Zero, ilapot mo, zero.
Phil.
Wala mo kay
One, two, three, go. One, two, three. Let's start, oy. One, two, three. Let's go, oy. One, two, three. Pagalan, Sina. Pero John, napa-perfect mo. Come on, babe.
Dapat nagpapagsak mo.
Dapat nagmamagsak ka sa dun na. One, two, three. Woo! Si Lazon Justin. Lazon Justin. Si Limalan Festival.
Bala si.
O si Gerson
Dungan.
Suki.
Dungan, dungan.
Uy, oras nagdagan.
Hi, ma'am.
Sige na, go.
Ay, kinayaw dyan.
Hi, ma'am. Dapat din mo ito.
4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go.
Solo.
Ma'am, muna ako.
Bata na, sige na. 1, 2, 3. Huwag ka video, tingnan ika. Si Sarsona Catherine, Castellano John Reynan, si Anton Edmar.
Sete.
Jenna.
Hindi, dungan.
Sarsona Catherine, Castellano John Reynan, One, two. Upat talo. Tulo naman.
Wala lapot ang isa.
Gagi, apa ka? Ako man ako. Sige na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Atura ng kwan. Didi.
Kadrana, Arvin.
Kapayan ka na ako. Magdulog mo.
Sige na. One, two, three, go. Lagi mo. Hoy!
Buksan na. Buksan na, ma'am.
Nakakapoy mag-beg. Nakakapoy mag-beg.
Ako ito, Boss Ram.
Cobelian Princess, Cobelian France, Arthur, o Pagalan, Jean Razel.
Human naman na, ma'am.
O di dahil si Taro Merx Puig o si Kuan. Cobelian France o si Cobelian Princess. Sige na. Sige na. Dali na. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay na, magdungan. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, go. Yeah, Zam. Thank you.
Hi, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dai. Thank you, Dai.
Flowers?
Ngayon, I would like to greet you a happy birthday, my dear classmate Lika S. Elandag. Wow, can I have one of your flowers? Oh my God.
Putang
Ang
ina ka.
ganda mo.
Siyempre.
Oh my God, ayun, Jackie! Si ano nga pinagkuhan ni Kuya, Jackie. Ano galing sa online? Juden. So, this is the second letter. How to open now. How to open? It's from Laura and Leah. Ako rin eh. She's nice dito. Ano pa? Senior. How to open? Ang hirap i-open, ha? Ako lang. Ay, ikaw. What the? Ay, grabe, oh, salamat po. So, yan. Wow! We're going to invest in how to die. So, yes. And next, we have this one. It is from Mr. Mark D.J. Next is Pavilion Prince Arkham. The day is take example for all organizations and institutions to exist on this life. We will respond as a dynamic policy and deal with it. Is much of the happiness experience all in the community. We will turn these services and customer service with the first investment. We will answer all the best and most serious something. Thank you. Next is from Justin Pinagaway. But also thank you very much for watching us and making us happy as I am happy at the end. You were not a bad teacher, you also have purpose. Make us happy too. I want to know more about you and learn more stuff. Also, really like you. Thank you.
Thank you, te. Paano i-open? Dahil na sa school.